Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am so excited to share with you an awesome product that I have been testing out and absolutely loving. It's the 2PCS 2-inch full-range speaker 4-ohm 10W Bluetooth compatible speaker 53mm speaker for JBL Charge 3 multimedia magnetic speakers. Let me tell you, this little speaker packs a punch. First of all, let's talk about the size and power of this speaker. With an outer diameter of 53mm and a power of 10W, this speaker is perfect for taking your audio experience to the next level. Whether you're using it for your JBL Charge 3 or any other multimedia device, you can expect clear and powerful sound coming from this little powerhouse. One of the things that really stands out about this speaker is its Bluetooth compatibility. It's so convenient to be able to connect wirelessly to your devices and not have to worry about tangled cords. Plus, with a 4-ohm impedance, you can be confident that you're getting the best possible sound quality. The package includes 2 of these amazing speakers, so you can really take your audio setup to the next level. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current system or just want to add some extra power to your JBL Charge 3, these speakers are the perfect choice. I've been using these speakers for a while now, and I can honestly say that I am so impressed with the quality and performance. If you're ready to take your audio experience to the next level, I highly recommend checking out these 2PCS 2-inch full-range speaker 4-ohm 10W Bluetooth compatible speaker 53mm speaker for JBL Charge 3 multimedia magnetic speakers. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.